Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Fever FM.
Funny exercises coming. If they're not smiling, they'll smile now.
Okay.
Okay. So now we're going to do the same pose, but focus change hoga. It will be on the cheeks, but it will also come on the mouth. You can call it Hanuman if you want,
okay,
or you can call it puffer fish. I prefer puffer fish. Okay. So you're going to put your fingers on your lips so that the air does not escape, and you're just going to puff up your cheeks with air and hold for at least 10 seconds. Okay. So let's do it. Second set. Shall we try 30?
Yes, why not?
Okay, let's try 30 seconds. Let's go. Keep breathing in and out of your nose, guys. If
Nice.
you feel,
Yes, I
if
can.
you feel any kind of tension on your face, just flap your mouth open and release all the stress that may have built up over there. All right, now some people might find this difficult, but हम बचपन में बहुत करते थे.
Oh my. Let me try if I can do this.
To the best of your ability. Not bad at all. But we're going to make it a little more complicated. हम इसमें थोड़ा आँख भी add करते हैं.
Okay.
Okay. So let's open our eyes wide. Look up at the ceiling, but सिर्फ 45 degrees, guys. I don't want you to do this. Okay. I just want you to go up जब तक आपको neck का stretch feel होता है. All right.
Okay.
And then I want you to open your eyes wide and flutter. Okay. So come on. Let's go. So what you're going to do is you're going to suck your cheeks in. First inhale, take a breath. And keep doing this for 10 seconds. And relax. Nicely done.
That was lovely.
Now what I want you to do is, let's get that collagen and elastin stimulated, okay? So please remember, when I say pinch, I mean downward and inward. Now a lot of people don't understand that. They say downward, inward kya hota hai? What I mean is this, okay? We're just pinching. You're not pulling out the skin. You're not doing that.
Okay.
Cheeks ko kheench nahi rahe. We're pinching down.
Okay.
Okay? So let's do this. You're going to take your thumb, index and middle finger, and you're just going to pinch. Smile. Smiling is a necessity. Not with your eyes, just with your mouth. Not like this. Okay. And just pinch for 10 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. I see some smiling faces on screen. I like it. Okay. Let's go to the mouth. Okay. Now for the mouth, you have to remember, when they call it smoker's line, it doesn't mean you have to be a smoker.
Correct.
It's just those vertical lines that develop because of, again, like I said, bad habits, right? Bad habit. Chewing from one side of the mouth, bad habit. Tearing from one's chewing gum. Very bad habit.
But you know, a lot of people believe that chewing gum खाने से you know you get aligned and आपका ये जो double chin है वो निकल जाएगा.
If you take your chewing gum and chew like this, तो मैं believe कर सकती हूँ कि double chin पे आएगा, but choking hazard.
My God.
So-
Imagine having a chewing gum like this and walking.
मैं दिखाती हूँ ना आपको अभी exercise double chin के लिए.
ठीक
Don't
है.
worry. Okay. So let's go to the mouth first. Very simple. Keep your mouth. Sorry, I think I'm exceeding my time.
No problem.
Keep your mouth open slightly. Take your tongue and just roll it around your mouth. So हम 5 seconds clock, 5 seconds anti-clockwise. So it's like this. It's really simple. 5, anti-clockwise. So it's almost like ironing out the creases inside out.
Okay.
And for people who have very deep nasolabial folds यहाँ पे, you can also do this a few times in a day. Just where your lines are. So let's do the mouth exercise one more time before we go to a nice one for the jaw and the cheeks combined, okay? Let's do it. And relax. Inhale, exhale. Okay guys, for all of you at home, whenever you practice face yoga, some poses get you very, not breathless, but make your mouth dry. So always make sure that you're doing face yoga with a clean face.
Okay.
No medicated cream. You
Okay.
can do it with makeup on, but minimalistic because you don't want your eyeliner smudging all over the place. And sunscreen is okay.
Yeah.
Oil is great, any face oil serum, but no medicated creams. Like you must not apply something maybe for pigmentation or acne and then do face yoga. So
What about people who, while doing face yoga, might find their mouth getting dried up? Can they have water?
water and only water.
Water is fine.
No coffee, nothing to dehydrate you further. Coffee, tea, cola, sugary juices. A, not good for the skin, guys. B, never tell a face yoga teacher you're having coffee when you're having water. Green tea is good, black tea is good, flavored tea is good, plain water is the best. And warm water is great, it just relaxes you even more, okay?
Lovely.
Guys, last exercise for the mouth, O to E. Okay, but look at my E. Now this is really going to make people laugh. You're curling your lips. You're curling your lips over your teeth and you're smiling. It's actually really nice. You can just hold it. Okay? If for no one who understood what I said, you have to curl your upper and lower lips under your teeth and just smile. So pehle O, fir E. O, fir E. Okay? Relax kijiye. Let's start together. Okay? Inhale. Exhale. We have only a few more exercises left and let's go. O, E. O, E. Don't squint. O, E. O, E. O, E. O, E. And relax. So what you're doing is you are now pulling your muscles vertically and horizontally, right? So it's like a full mouth workout. Okay, shall we move to the neck and the double chin?
Yes, please.
Okay. So first and most important thing about double chin is your shoulders. The way you stand.
Okay.
Because the more you droop, the more you're down. वैसे भी नीचे जा रहा है skin gravity से. You have to do something to lift it up, right? Now, jhukuing your shoulders towards the floor is not
Ladies and gentlemen, we're uplifting each other.
Yeah, we're uplifting one another, uplifting your spirit. So please remember कि at least एक दो बार दिन में you just simply roll back your shoulders.
Okay.
Just roll them back, even in between your face yoga practice. Okay, so let's start with something known as swan neck. Very simple exercise. You can sit straight, stand straight. You can sit on your bed and do this. Just take your face to the left and slightly tilt your neck at the back. Urmin, tell me where you're feeling the stretch.
All the way to my back also. Is
Yeah,
that...
but this is what I'm targeting. Okay?
Yeah, now.
Here, yeah. Mind muscle connection, guys. Relax, look ahead. ये सिर्फ warm up है. Turn to the right. Tilt your face back slightly and इधर यहाँ पर stretch आना चाहिए. Mind muscle connection. And here, a lot on your under your chin. Okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to combine this exercise with your tongue pushing up to the roof of your mouth.
Okay.
So ऐसे करने वाले हैं. Can you feel this muscle tightening? Exactly. So we're going to combine this.
Okay.
So first, inhale, exhale. Take your face to the left. tilt your neck back, and now with your mouth closed, take your tongue to the roof of your mouth 10 times. And relax. This is what I was targeting. And now the other side. So turn your face to the right, tilt your neck back, and let's start pulsing our tongue. And relax. This entire muscle is getting worked out. Really, it's a workout, huh? Okay, guys, one more time before we move towards this part, which is also going to help you with your horizontal lines on the neck. So let's turn to the left, tilt your neck back, and pulse your tongue. 10 times. Mouth closed. And the other side. Slowly tilt your head back and pulse. And relax. If you're feeling any tension anywhere, tap it out. You can even do the pinching that I taught you for your cheeks. You can just pinch along your jawline to relax any tension. A lot of people grind their teeth in the night.
Yeah.
Right? So they get something called TMJ. This is a very good way of releasing. Matlab, it's almost like a lockjaw syndrome. They have a lot of pain in chewing and stuff. So pinching along the jawline can really help with that. Okay. Now let's work on the most troublesome part. Okay. The double chin.
Okay.
So what you're going to do is you're going to do a very simple exercise, combination of two. It's called Kiss the Sky, and it is like our second last exercise before we cool down. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your tongue and you're just going to put it at the top of your palate, okay? And then you're going to move your neck up and you're just going to hold for 10 seconds. And I want you to feel, then when you're doing the exercise, I want you to just feel where the pressure is coming.
Okay.
And just point, to your audience, okay? So what you're going to do is tongue to your upper palate. Till you come. Keep breathing in and out of your nose. Keep your tongue up. Juni, where are you feeling it? Urmeen, where are you feeling it?
I can feel the stretch here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Then, no, put your mouth is open. Close your mouth, tongue to the upper palate. Again, please understand that when I say put your neck up, please don't do this. It is only this. Just when you start feeling the stretch, you stop. We're not checking neck flexibility. We're doing face yoga. You cannot overstretch up. बहुत ज़्यादा खींचातानी नहीं कर सकते अपने skin के साथ. Okay? So what we're going to do is, you're just wondering what I'm doing, right?
No. I'm enjoying it. As long as all my muscles are getting like nicely massaged on my own.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so last one or the second last one, depending on how much time we have, kiss the sky.
Okay.
Very simple. Put your fingers on your collarbones. Feel your neck muscles stretching. Think about somebody you absolutely adore and kiss him or her about 10 times. Okay, a nice big kisses. So this is how it's going to be. Feel the engagement. And relax. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. And just to release any stress that may have built up on the jaw, we're going to do another exercise called the jowl buster. The skin that starts hanging on the side of the jaws. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your right hand and you're going to place it on your palm just to get a support.
Okay.
You're going to take your fingers and you're going to place it under, and this exercise is very good वो face symmetry को fix करने के लिए.
Okay.
Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to place it under your jaw. आप चिन के साथ नीचे प्रेस करने वाले हो और फिंगर्स के साथ ऊपर. So it's going to be a resistance.
Okay.
And you're just going to breathe while pressing. Don't make sure that you don't slip. इतना भी pressure मत डालो. And just keep breathing in and out of your nose. So one side and then the other side.
Okay.
Okay. So let's start. press down, and your fingers are pressing up. And I want you to feel this on your jaw. And whichever side of your jaw is tense, you will feel it more on that side. And relax. Let's do it the other side to balance it out. Whatever is done on one side has to be done on the other side. So rest your hands, place your fingers, okay? Press, press, and press up. Up with your fingers, down with your jaw. Inhale, exhale, and relax. Loosen out your jaw. And let's cool down.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so cool down is the same. We're going to do a little bit of tapping and a few candle blows. Okay. So first what you're going to do is, and of course the eyes as well. So you're just going to close your eyes. You're just going to inhale, exhale, and you're just going to gently tap under the eyes. Just gently tap with your ring finger or your middle finger, as long as it's gentle. You're going to start tapping all over your face again, like we did earlier. Forehead to temple, chin to cheek, around the mouth, and on the neck. And we are done.
Priya, this was amazing. It was just so, I'm feeling so calm and composed. I did not know that फेस योगा के इतने सारे हमने स्टाइल्स किए, टेक्निक्स किए, बट माई माइंड इज़ रिलैक्स्ड, आई थिंक, विच इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. हम हमारे बॉडी को तो एक्सरसाइज मोड में डाल देते हैं, लेकिन इफ़ यू कैन ट्रेन योर माइंड एंड एक्सरसाइज योर माइंड, दैट्स व्हेन एवरीथिंग जस्ट फील्स अलाइंड. So this was special.
Yeah, and there are also lots of exercises and relaxation techniques which, you know, I do permutations and combinations of depending on who is sitting opposite me. You know, when I'm sitting with an audience who I don't know, I have to give you more all round kind of exercises to tone. But when you are with a specific client, let's say you have a jaw issue or a shoulder issue or a neck issue, I've helped people with neck pain and back pain and things like that. I've helped people sleep better. So again, I'm not blowing my trumpet. What I'm trying to tell you is face yoga is not only about anti-aging, it's also about relaxing, rejuvenation, to get a natural healthy glow and just fall in love with yourself. So just give yourself a big hug once in a while and say, I love me.
Everybody watching us, Yoga Boot Camp 2021 के इस खास फेस योगा सेशन में आप हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं, and I hope you all have enjoyed every bit of it. I know I have, and I think we should just once again look at all the smiling faces. Look at everybody just smiling, and I hope you're also feeling calm and composed. That's most important, right, Priya?
Absolutely.
All right. So should we take some questions?
Absolutely.
Everybody joining us, in case you all have any questions that you all would like to ask Priya, तो ज़रूर पूछिएगा, and we would love to answer your questions right here. Oh, look at that. Look at everyone.
I see some familiar faces. No questions, guys. I can keep talking. I can do a monologue on skin and healthcare. Just let me know.
So I have a question.
Okay.
My question to you is that, dark circles definitely are something that
yes,
हर किसी की problem है.
Yes.
This is not just related to one city.
Yes.
Workplace, whether you're a homemaker, whether you're a student. आजकल बहुत सारे लोग डार्क सर्कल्स जो है वो एट अ वेरी अर्ली एज भी एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं. सो what do you have to say for that?
First of all, it can just be the anatomy of your face. Okay. Sunken eyes होते हैं. It is how your eyes are in the eye socket. There's not much you can do for it, but there are definitely things you can do to make it better. Is number one, you can reduce the bags. automatically the dark circles start looking less. When your eyes are rested, when your eyes are relaxed, when your forehead is relaxed, your skin, and when you start tightening all the skin is getting tightened, right? So like for example, when we did this exercise, when you're tightening it, if you feel, feel my eyes, just feel where it's tight, go down.
Yeah.
It's going to help. You understand? The massages that I teach sometimes, even a simple tapping, just the simple tapping helps with dark circles. Sometimes it's just excess melanin that's produced in your body. There's nothing you can do about it. Please wear sunscreen. When you wear sunscreen, and stop sleeping on your face. I know so many people jo face pe sote hain. It is not good at all for your skin or your eyes. One more thing you can do for dark circles is a very simple exercise. If you want me to show it to you right now, you can just take your fingers under your eyes gently, and when I say gently, I mean gently. Pull it down slightly, and you just make semicircles with your eyeballs. Okay, so you're doing this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So where you're getting the pressure is exactly where the dark circles are, which means that when you release your fingers, you have your blood rushing there. You're increasing the oxygen content there, and all that is going to help with dark circles. And sunscreen, guys, tap the sunscreen, whether you're using a cream based or a liquid based, press it into your skin, press it,
and don't rub it.
Don't rub your skin.
I love that
please.
expression of yours.
Yeah, don't rub. You know, वो बच्चों को वो उपटर लगा के मसल के, please, hands is okay, not your face. Very gently on the face, and don't forget to tap. Always tap.
तो आज हमने इतने सारे हमारे मसल्स को रिलैक्स किया. We had neck, double chin, we tried to work on that, we worked on our eyes, forehead. ये बताएं that how often can you do face yoga in a day?
In a day, I would advise at a beginner level, only to do it once a day. Maybe 20 to 22 minutes. वो practice और वो आदत में आने में भी time लगता है. तो when you tell people, oh 30-40 minutes सब combination करो, 15 to 20 minutes. But always जो भी exercise करते हो उसके minimum 2 sets.
2 sets.
3 sets is the maximum unless you have a certain problem. So 2 sets. Hold of 8 to 10 seconds, and again when I say hold, I mean not your breath but your pose, right? Twice a day for advanced level would be great, but when you get advanced up, already you're in the routine of practicing face yoga. So even a quick 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes in the night is plenty, as long as there's consistency. और ये सब चीज़ के साथ है, right? I mean, even with your body exercise, because the face muscles are shorter, more superficial, कम muscles है, not more than 60. So, and they get activated really fast.
True.
So you don't have to waste a lot of time warming them up and cooling them down.
Okay. We have somebody who's joining us right now and has a question that we'd like to take. Priya, are you ready?
Yeah.
Her name is Pooja. Hi, Pooja.
Hi.
Yes, Pooja, आपका सवाल.
Hi. I wanted to ask that I don't like applying anything on my skin on daily basis. Like I don't have a skin routine or anything. But which oil would you recommend to use while doing face yoga?
Okay, simple question. And why do you not have a skincare routine is my question back to you. You have to have a skincare routine.
I have a skin routine, like cleansing and all, but I don't really apply anything on my skin apart from coconut oil at night before sleeping.
Okay, you have to stop doing that. Sorry. So coconut oil, even if you want to apply on your skin, it has to be a very thin layer, and then once you're done with your massage, you need to take a tissue paper and blot off the extra. It's a very heavy oil, and you don't want to go to sleep with that, because you need your skin to breathe as well. You need your product to get absorbed into your skin, but it needs to breathe.
Right.
So with coconut oil, I would say yes, go ahead, do it, do a massage, put your night cream.
Okay.
Put your coconut oil, do the massage, and basic massage. It doesn't have to be an elaborate massage. And then dab off the extra. Whereas adding something to your, there's also something known as squalene, however you want to pronounce it, SQUALENE.
Okay.
It is a very light oil for your skin. You get it on Amazon. It's lovely. I mean, I don't know. Can I take brand names?
You have already, so
no,
go ahead. Why
squalene-
not?
No,
Why not?
No, that's not the brand name. Squalene is like mustard oil or coconut oil. Okay.
Great.
But there are lots out there. It's very light. It's very easy to use. So incorporate that in your routine and reduce the coconut oil, please.
Thank you.
I hope that helped, Pooja. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you enjoyed this session.
Loved it. Thank you so much.
Lovely.
Thank
She's
you.
already looking very pleasant and happy, so I'm really glad. Thank you
Nice
you
big
once
smile.
again. Priya, this was really, truly a pleasure. बहुत शुक्रिया
fun
हमारे
being
साथ
here.
जुड़ने के लिए. And most importantly, thank you so much for joining us in this special मुहिम जो हम लेकर आए हैं, Yoga Boot Camp 2021.
And I would like to also thank you guys for, recognizing face yoga as something to incorporate in your day-to-day routine.
Well, that's the idea.
It's really great that you guys are spreading the message out there, because love yourself, guys, remember. So when you look at yourself, when you stand tall, when you're confident and you smile, life is great.
Wonderful. Priya Khandelwal. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, love and light.
Thank you for watching us.